Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today's post is a browse through of the Burda May 2018 edition, which was disappointingly very late in arriving through my post box. I literally received this morning, but there were so many patterns that I definitely knew I liked, and I definitely had ideas of what fabrics to use, so I was able to record this straight away. So remember to stay tuned to see what my sewing plans are with this Burda issue. So that's it. That's the May 2018 issue of BurdaStyle magazine. And I gotta say personally that I really like about 80% of the patterns and styles in there. It wasn't hard for me to pick which ones to make because there was so many patterns that I definitely wanted to make and that I will be making in the future. So I've chosen two patterns, which I'm definitely going to try and make this coming month. However, I am training for my first triathlon, which means I don't have as much sewing time. So to start off with, I decided to make something that's actually incredibly practical. Ever since I tried to make the Blackwood cardigan, I've realized that I do need something lightweight to just throw on over my t-shirts and summer clothes when it's just feeling a little bit nippy in the air. And I like jacket number 119, which I'm going to make in a lovely silk to peony fabric that has been sitting in my collection for a couple of years now. I was given it as a birthday present, and I think that is just going to make a nice, simple, practical item that I can just throw on over any of my summery dresses or tops. So the other dress that I want to make is this shirt dress. I love the neckline detail on this and the asymmetrical nature of this dress, and I just have the perfect fabric for it that I've had for almost a couple of years now, and it looks like Essex linen, I think. So it's got an interesting weave in that it's double-sided, so it's slightly lighter on one side and slightly darker on the other side, and I think it's going to work really well for that. Okay, so these next two items, these are my extra time items. If I manage to have the time to make them, I would love to make dress number 106. I love the backless detail and that interesting sailor look that it has going. I have never been sailing, but I like the idea of having a sailor dress. It's a bit crazy. And I do have some fabric. I can't quite decide yet between two different fabrics that I have. I've got like a navy blue cotton sateen fabric, which has just got teeniest bit of stretch, and then I also have another fabric which has got anchors on it, which I kind of think is probably appropriate for a sailor style dress. I haven't decided on the fabric, but I'm sure once I decide whatever it is, it will look fabulous. Okay, the last one of my extra time items is style number 111, which is the linen jumpsuit. I quite like the details on this jumpsuit, and I just think that it would be something that would be nice and flattering for summer. I've got quite a lot of linen fabric in my collection, and I love working with linen, so I'm using this 100% linen, which was the result of my experimental dyeing techniques, and it's in a weird kind of green color, but I think that it will work well with this particular pattern. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe for new sewing related videos every week. And I'll be back very soon with a fabric haul and a makes video. Until I see you, happy sewing. Bye.